Alright, hey guys, we are back. And that's Nicholas, the one that was eating the pogo right there. You can literally see him. That's Cam. Say hi, Cam. He's kicking it, or not kicking at me.
And it's Stress Boy 101.
Check his channel out, subscribe.
Subscribe to me.
And I don't know how to put link in the subscription, so yeah.
You're just mad because you get crushed.
And I am going to be uploading to this, my friend, which is Jonathan Owen Vlogs, so check him out as well. Subscribe. He's better than you. You have 0. You don't even have a channel.
Exactly, that's fair.
He has 6. He has 6. He used to have 5. But I, of course, am nice and subscribe to him. So, and also subscribe to me. So yeah. And subscribe to him. Okay. I know this is short, but cause I don't know, it's like a busy day. My birthday's in 2 days. I will upload to that. Nick has red lips, and you can't see it, but I know I have short videos, but that's because YouTube will kick me out if I have 8 minutes.
Wow.
And I'm cutting that out.
My thing's only...
Bye.